Mend. Noun. A place, as in clothing, which has been repaired by mending. Mend. Noun. The act of repairing. My trousers have a big rip in them and need a mend. Mend. Verb. To repair, as anything that is torn, broken, defaced, decayed, or the like, to restore from partial decay, injury, or defacement. My trousers have a big rip in them and need mending. When your car breaks down, you can take it to the garage to have it mended. Mend. Verb. To alter for the better, to set right, to reform, hence, to quicken, as, to mend one's manners or pace. Her stutter was mended by a speech therapist. My broken heart was mended. Mend. Verb. To help, to advance, to further, to add to. Mend. Verb. To grow better, to advance to a better state, to become improved. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.